Good morning children, I am Miss Rusali and today I am going to teach you math subject lesson 9 part 2. Okay, so lesson 9 you have not completed, so this video will be part 2. This video is for class UKG. So in this lesson 9 we are going to see subtraction with borrowing. So subtraction with borrowing. Okay, the numbers, how we have to borrow the numbers from other number. So here there is 43 and 8. Now you see above the 8 one number is there 3, but 3 cannot cut the, it can subtract 8? No, it cannot subtract the 8. So what we do, this 3 goes to the 4 and it asks number 1. Now 4 number what it does? Number 4 it gives one number, then the 3 and 1 it gets 13. So now when the 3 has borrowed the number from 4, one number already has borrowed one number, so it gets 13 number. Now we will cut it this 3 and then here remaining 3 because already the one number has less. Already given other numbers. Yes, so we get here 3. Now the 13 and 8. So 13 can cut the 8? Yes, so it can cut. So now we will make the line, 13 line. We will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So now 13 line we have to make, and how many line we have to cut? 8 line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will cut it down 8 line. Then how many numbers remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 lines. So we will write here 5. And now look at here the below 3. If there is no number, so which number will cut? No number can cut. So this 3 is alone. So we will write it down here 3. So we get the answer 35. Now next we will see. Here it is 1. So same thing we will do how we have done this first one. So here 1 is given. Then how now 1 cannot cut this 3. So what will do this one? 1 has to go to here and it will ask number 1. Then it will give this number to 1. It will borrow number 1. Then it will get 1. Then it will, what number comes here? 11. And here remaining 5. So now here we have 11 number and 11 number can cut 3. Yes. So let's make make line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So out of 11 how many line we have to cut? 3 line. Once more we will count whether we have 11 line or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Out of 11, 3 line we will cut. So 3 line we have cut. Then how many numbers remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we get here 8. And you see here below 5 there is no other number. So we will write here 5. Same thing other one also will do. This 2 will go to here and will borrow a number 1 and it will get 12. And here will be 3 and out of 12 we will cut 7. Now we will make line here somewhere. If there is place, then you have to make line, then you cut the numbers, others you will be confused. Okay, so 12 number we have. Out of 12 you have to cut 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Out of 12 how many numbers we have to cut? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 line we have to cut and remaining line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here remaining 5 lines and here below 3 there is no other number. So we have to write 3. And next one you see here 4 and 6. So 4 cannot cut. So the 4 has to borrow a number from 9. So number 9 will give 1 and this 4 both comes 14 and number 9 has 8. Number 9 has 8. Now out of 14 we have to cut 6 line. So make line again 14 line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Once more we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Out of 14, we have to cut 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 6 lines. Yes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines we have to cut. Out of 6, and how many lines remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here it is remaining 8 lines. And here out of 8, we have to cut 3. Out of 8, we have to cut 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, we have to cut 3 lines. And remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we get 5. Now next one you see. Here there is 7 and 7 cannot get cut 8. So 7 has to borrow from this number and it will get 17 and here you will get 3. Now we will cut the 17 out of 8. So 17 line will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Out of 17 we have to cut the how many line? 8 line. So first we will cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have cut already 8 line and remaining what's the line we have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we get here 9 left lines and now out of 3 we have to cut 2. So we will get obviously 1. Okay. So next one you see here 4 is there and here 6. So 4 can't cut 6. So 4 what it has to do? 4 has to borrow from here and it will ask, it will get one number. So it will have 1, 4, 14. Then this number already has given to other number. So it left 3. Now next what we have to do? We have to cut from 14 to 6. Then make a line, 14 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So out of 14, how many lines we have to cut? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to cut 6 lines and remaining lines will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we get here 8 and here below 3 there is no other number. It cannot cut with any number. So we will write here 3. The next one we will do. Here is the 1 or here 6. So out of 1, 6 cannot cut. So 1 has to borrow from here and it will get 11. And this here the number has given. So it left 5. Now 11 to 6 we have to cut. Make line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Out of 11 we have to cut 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 lines are cut. Remaining lines are 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here out of 5 we have to cut 3. So we will get 2. Okay. Now next here you see next number in 1, 2, 2 cannot cut. So 1 has to borrow from here and it will get 11 and here 2. So 11 to 2 we can have to cut. We have to cut 11 number to 2. So we will get we will make lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After 11, 2 numbers we have to cut. So we get here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we get 9 and after 1, 2 we have to cut 1. So we get here 1. Solve the word problems. In a class had 61 children. 54 children was present. Now how many children was absent in a class? So here it is telling there are 61 children are there and out of 61 children there are 54 children was absent. So now here it is asking total children are 61 and 54 children are absent. So what we have to do? We have to minus. Okay, we have to subtract. So subtracting also, this also is borrowing subtraction. Okay, so how we have to subtract? This 1 cannot subtract 4. So what we have to do? It has to ask from here and it will get 11. And here it have given already. So we get here 5. Okay, we have here 5. Then we will cut here 11 to 4 we have to subtract. Okay. So 11 to 4, make line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Out of 11, 4 lines we will cut it down. Then how many lines remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we get here 7. And here 5 out of 5. So both these cut. So we get here 0. So how many students are left? They were absent. 7 students were absent in the class. So children, did you understand about the how to borrow the subtraction? So this subtraction is with borrowing. We have learned already simple subtraction. Okay, there is no need of borrowing the numbers, but in this subtraction we have to borrow the numbers, then only you can subtract other numbers. So did you understand all this borrowing subtraction? And we have the exercise from the book, so that you have to do, and I will send you in homework, so you have to complete that one also. Okay, in book also you have to do. Thank you children.